Yo, what's up traders? Welcome back to Explore Epic. Today we're talking about 4 epic trading mistakes costing people their hard-earned cash. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's dive in. If you're making these mistakes, it's time to stop. Mistake number 1. Stop chasing quick profits. Now, I get it. Who doesn't love the idea of making a ton of money fast? But let me tell you, chasing quick profits is like trying to get your coffee before it's ready. You know you'll burn your tongue, but you do it anyway. The truth is, folks, trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. If you want to make money, you've got to be like a farmer. No, seriously, plant your seeds, water them, and wait for your crops to grow. Trying to make fast profits is like running a marathon in flip-flops. You're going to trip, fall, and lose your shoes. Mistake number 2. Avoid risky trades. Imagine you're at a buffet and there's a giant cake labeled risky. Do you dive in? No, you don't. Same goes for risky trades. That high-risk trade might look like the lottery ticket of the year, but the odds are against you. It's not a free lunch, it's a free fall. So, don't be the guy who buys the overpriced slice of cake. Be the guy who takes calculated risks and avoids those trade desserts that are too sweet to be true. Mistake number 3. Don't ignore market research. Look, trading without research is like going to a pizza party and saying, "I'll just guess the toppings." It's not going to end well. Maybe you'll get lucky with the cheese, but you're going to end up with pineapple on that pizza. Nobody wants that. Before you make any trade, do your homework. Research the market, the trends, the news. You don't want to end up in a situation where you're holding a stock you didn't order. Trust me, market research is like your GPS. It's going to tell you if you're going the wrong way before you hit a dead end. And last but definitely not least, avoid emotional decisions. If I had $1 for every emotional decision while trading, I'd have $0. Don't be like me. If you're angry after a loss or excited after a win, take a break. Stick to your trading plan. Be like a robot. A cool, calm, collected robot who never gets upset over a bad trade. So, those were the 4 epic trading mistakes that could cost you big. If you avoid these, you'll save your money and be on your way to trading success. If you found this video helpful and funny, I hope, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on those notifications. We've got more trading tips coming your way right here on Explore Epic. Thanks for watching, and remember, trading smart is cool. Emotional decisions are not. Catch you in the next one.